Welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 341. Right, the information is still the same here. Please go through it if you haven't done so. Right, another point T with coordinates PP, where P is greater than 0, is plotted such that ET is equal to BE is equal to 4 root 17 units. Calculate the coordinates of T. Okay, so it means the x coordinate of T is positive, so maybe just let's say maybe T is here, and this is the point T with the coordinates P, right? And then we're told that ET is equal to BE. ET is equal to BE, and then they are both equal to 4 root 17. This one is B, -4, -4 there. Okay, so these two line segments are equal. So what is the distance of the line segment ET? So the distance of ET, so it means ET is equal to the square root of XE minus XT squared plus YE minus YT squared. And then this is equal to 4 root 17. So let's just equate that, because it's equal to BE, which is 4 root 17. So it's 4 root 17 is equal to the square root of X is 12 minus P squared plus 0 minus P squared. Okay, and then what do? We square both sides. So it's going to be 4 root 17 squared is equal to the square root of 12 minus P squared plus 0 minus P squared, all this squared. Okay, and then the square root and the square, they will cancel each other out there. We'll remain with, what is 4 squared? 16 times 17. You can put this in the calculator. It must give you 272. 272 is equal to 12 minus P squared plus 0 minus P squared. Then 272 is equal to 12 squared is going to be 144. And then you say 2 times 12 times P, which is negative 24P. Okay, and then you square the P, it's going to be plus P squared. Remember the square binomials. Let me just show you here. If you say 12 minus P is 12 minus P, you see that you can say 12 times 12, 144. Then 12 times 1, negative P, negative 12P. Negative P times 12, negative 12P. Negative P times negative P is positive P squared. But you can even use what? Square binomials. Okay, it's faster. Just square the 12, multiply 12 and P with 2, and then you just square the last time the P there. Okay, the last one is always positive, and then done. And then we come this side, this is plus just P squared. Okay, right. And then let's get our standard form. So it's going to be P squared plus P squared, that is 2P squared, then minus 24P, and then 144 minus 272, that is negative 128. And then we can divide everything by 2. It becomes 0 is equal to P squared minus 12P, then minus 64. Right, and then we can factorize this. The factors of negative 64, that will give us negative 12, should be negative 16 and positive 4. Okay, negative 16 and positive 4. And if it's giving you problems, you can even use the quadratic formula. Okay, so 0 is equal to p minus 16. This is p minus 16, and then p plus 4. Okay, and then therefore p is equal to 16, or p is equal to negative 4. But remember, they said p is greater than 0, so this one is not applicable. So therefore t is going to be having these coordinates: x coordinate of 16 and y coordinate of 16. Okay, right. So we'll meet when we do question 342A.